Welcome to your dream lakefront retreat, where luxury meets leisure and every detail stands out. This 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath home comes completely turnkey, featuring new furniture and updates throughout, offering that fresh and modern feel from the moment you step inside. Enjoy incredible views and coveted cove protection, giving you the perfect blend of scenery and relaxation. This property is an entertainer's dream with a private pool and hot tub, a lakeside patio and fire pit, and a dock to die for. You'll never run out of areas to take in those Lake of the Ozarks sunsets. Whether you're looking for the ultimate friends and family getaway or a top-tier investment property, this one checks all the boxes. Give the Krantz & Associates office a call and be one step closer to paradise.